Hello guys, welcome back again on my YouTube channel. This is Asekedi, and today we are bringing you an amazing construction update of Gitaru railway station, which is based in Kikuyu constituency in Kiambu County. So guys, everyone knows here the old railway started in 1800 and arrived in Kenya in 1902. Since then, it has been connecting from Nairobi, Kikuyu, Nakuru, then Kisumu, then it head in Maraba, then to Uganda. So guys, you are welcome there. What I will tell you to do is to subscribe on this channel. Make sure you watch this video till end and comment below, like and subscribe. See you on the video. Okay, welcome back again guys. So I have a guest here. Atakuwa ananiuliza swali and then najibu because he is here to help me. So welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay.
Lastly, tell us more about the old railway.
Okay, of course you are not talking about the SGR. But the SGR imekuwa ya 2017, 2016, sindio?
Yeah.
So you are talking about this railway unaona hapa kwa picha. Is in Gitaru. Gitaru is in Kiambu County, a country called Kenya. So this is a new construction by the way. Sirona is a new hata ijamalizwa.
Yeah.
Is a construction update yenye inaendelea. So si nilienda kurekod and sikuweza kupata a full nini kuitikiwa kuingia ndani.
Yeah.
But niliweza kupata area view ya juu. Sinaona hapa ni ukiwa kwa Waiyaki. Unaweza ukaiona iko kwa high view na hata si nyumba kubwa because ni stopover ya train. So wadau, asiono ukiwa kwa Waiyaki that ukiwa pale bypass ya kwenda Southern bypass pale Kikuyu and Waiyaki ya kwenda Kabete is located there. And guys, you can see is a mini station. It's a mini station yenye inajengwa hapo. You can see it very well, iko sawa. And mtu mwenye atakuwa anashukia hapo, mwenye atakuwa anaitumia atakuwa anatoka town, anakuja anashukia hapo seats jioni, ama anatoka hapo anapanda hapo seats asubuhi, anashuka town asubuhi. So that's how it work. So guys, I will let you watch the video. Like, manze, share, tell people to come and subscribe here. Subscribe and tell people there is the channel, manze. So watch the video and tell me what it is. Make sure you comment. I love you guys.